Hello guys, today we're going to change a lock on Volvo. The door lock is not working on Volvo D13. So first thing, you need to remove the panel. There's a nut bolts there, and it's number 12 and the one from here. And you also have to remove this. There's a one, take out the cover from the top, small cover, and then there's a screw inside. Open it and take out this, unplug the light and for the window. Soon you take out this panel, then you have to remove this panel. Just take out all the bolts from the side, the screws, just take it out, and make sure you put your windows up. You can do it after too, but make sure you do it first. So your glass is up. Then you have to remove, there's one bracket here, this one where the mirror roll down. You have to remove this. So remove this bracket. There's a two of them, number I think so 45 or 50. This bit, let me check. It's 45. It's 45, and open this two of them and take it out. And then you have to remove these three of them. And remove these three of them. After you remove that, there's one. The rod comes here. Let me bring the light. So this one you have to remove it too, and to remove this one you need just a flat screwdriver and just put it here like this. Open the face, and that's it. It's unplugged. So it's open already. You can see it's open, and the lock is pretty much is done. Okay, let me move it out. So there was a second one as well. There's a two of them. You see there's a white one, that there's also another one, the rod. You have to take out that one to just push out, just pull it out, and it will be disconnected. So now we can take out the lock. There you go. This is how you take out the lock. The lock is out, and just open these three of them. And it's better to change it completely, but if your just lock is not working, just change this part, the small part. This is the most common problem when the truck is not locking properly. It's better to change the whole thing is better, because look at this condition of this lock is already so much dust inside. So it's better to change the whole thing. I'm going to change the whole thing. I have the used one, but it's in good shape, so I'm gonna put it this one. Thank you for watching my video, and it's the same process to put it back. Just unplug this wire and take out this rods, the locking rods. This one, just push it out and pull it out and put it on the another one. It's the same thing. So thank you for watching my video. If you have any questions, you can write in comments. I will try to answer as soon as possible. Thank you so much.